the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Are you looking for a school where your child can grow, shine, and achieve their dreams? Welcome to Lucky Star Educational Center, where excellence begins. We offer top-quality education for learners from playgroup to grade 6, fully CBC compliant and designed to nurture every child's potential. At Lucky Star, your child enjoys modern computer studies with a fully equipped computer lab, chess, karate and swimming to enhance mental Center, a center of excellence.
Ni unakwariganirie ekiunga chinsainye chitariki isato umutinyigo 12 mu mwaka wa 2025 ile na botambe dipo na sanya senseme yimanyilio nigo tukubwatirana na Wilson Makoli gati ali ankwariganiretie na ringa omugabana we county Nyamira umuske Amos Nyaribo nigo nande au tirie egesire asentunda ya gatatu asebonekagire nga na barachikutikara obisi ili anyare gukora etamya ya gati yaywe na rinkwariganiretie tetonyara senchira yobwenge.
The Senate shall investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the governor of Nyamira County in plenary. Consequently, a hearing program has been prepared and appended to the order paper for today.
Omswada bwoko murusia omugabana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nigogenderete gotegererwa as Senate.
And above all, we have confirmed to the whole country that the Kenya Kwanza scored 0 out of 3 positions which were being contested in the recently concluded by-elections.
Aba MCA bachorubanga igase county ya Nyamira nigo basokire na kwegerera chivicha chiarekanira se mitandao.
Officers working together with the village elders, the Nyumba Kumi initiative, tunajua mambo yatakuwa vizuri na kila mtu atapata justice yake.
County ya Nyamira gochengera litukuli nene lyabalya bamenyete nobolema. Litukulero Senate nigo yagendereria ege karo kyogo tegerera okuruswa bisikwa mugabana we county ya Nyamira umuske Amos Nyaribo na boigo nigo yaribagaria bene asoko tegerera na kubwatia gusama chiko onsi yokomurusia abisio mugabana na bwatetigwe anene na ba MCA kurwa ase bunge ya gose ase county ya Nyamira engana bono yarolekananga tia ikiranete gose machiko onsi tajetie ko bwatiwa ase batakire konyora aba MCA 24 kuri nigo banyo batogete 23 nobega sensemo ye Senate nigo bakire chikura unenchira ya moyo koligereria na ngakie wenerete gose ninki ke wente gokorwa asokuriswa bisiko mu governor we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo igo ayeganga tiyari agenderera anene asebunge ye Senate kurwaria asamagacho oimeyo moji o Nairobi ayuba mturachiko kumanya asoboime ninki kerabe kegoika omwelio asokuriswa bisiko mu governor Amos Nyaribo.
You will recall that at the sitting of the Senate held on Thursday, 27th of November 2025, I appointed today, Wednesday, 3rd December 2025, and tomorrow, Thursday, 4th December 2025, as the days when the Senate will hear the charges for the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Amos Kimomi Nyaribo, Governor of Nyamira County. Via Gazette Notice number 1761-3 dated 2nd December 2025, I notify the general public that pursuant to Standing Order 81B2 of the Senate Standing Orders, the Senate shall investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Governor of Nyamira County in plenary. Consequently, a hearing program has been prepared and appended to the order paper for today that highlight the various activities to be undertaken in the hearing. Now, honorable senators, in accordance with the schedule of activities for an impeachment hearing in plenary, the Senate will hold a closed-door preparatory session to deliberate on the management of the investigation. The objective of the preparatory session is to ensure that the process is conducted seamlessly, concluded timeously, and in line with the requirements set out.
And as such, Mr. Speaker, when a matter such as this appears before us, we must be satisfied that indeed there was proper procedure that has been followed. For the last 3 sessions, and this is the part that we take the blame also, you know for a fact that we have refused, and I'm very intentional about the use of the word refused, as Parliament to pass the law on the impeachment procedure. I have never seen a law as critical as this, Mr. Speaker, that has gone round in circles as has been. I can recall from, I don't know as way back as which year, Mr. Speaker, that there has always been an attempt, but unfortunately, it never gets to the end. The parliamentary practice is as such that you vote as an individual, or if you have delegated power in the case of Senate, for example, if you're a member of a delegation and your head of delegation has given you the mandate to vote, then you can vote on their behalf as it happens. Because Senate is unique, we vote by delegations. But county assemblies vote by individual. They don't vote by delegations. And therefore, that is the second basis upon which we are being asked as a House to consider that particular matter.
Jika kulingana na sheria ni dhuruthi mbili ambayo ilipaswa izingatiwe. Lakini Bwana Spika, kwa sababu tunajua kwamba sheria za Kenya, sheria hii ambayo inayonukuliwa ya kusema ya kwamba tunahitaji thuruthi mbili ni sehemu ya 33 ya sheria ya serikali ya county, Bwana Speaker.
Now, what has been brought by the county assembly, they are telling us, please remember there were 3 MCAs who are not in that county assembly. This is the time for us to prosecute that, and therefore we should give parties an opportunity to prosecute that matter. We see which way it should go, so that, colleagues, we guide county assemblies. We even guide this Senate that what shall we be doing in the event members are not in plenary.
Senator Boni Awale got it all wrong. The voting in the Senate is by delegates. We don't have delegations in county assemblies. So it cannot be that a member of a county assembly representing one ward can ask another member of the same county assembly representing a different ward to cast a vote on behalf of that ward. That becomes a bit complicated. Mr. Speaker, I've listened to the majority leader, I've listened to the minority leader, I've listened to submissions from colleagues, and I've heard one thread that is running across: the search for justice.
have decided to follow as a people who want good governance and administration, who want to provide services to their people, then, Mr. Speaker, we really have to agree that we are going to follow the law. My wish would have been that we listen to all the charges that have been brought, but then that means that we would have preempted the discussions about the issues of the PO and indeed the rest of this case. My suggestion would be, if members of this House feel that the threshold was not reached, then we accept that as a position. And the problem that I was unable to interrogate, Mr. Speaker, was that in Nyamira, there were 3 members of the County Assembly who were not there when these elections were taking place. Not the ones who traveled, but there are about 3, I think 2 were having by-elections the other day, and 1, I think, had passed on. And they had not been at the Assembly for close to 2 years. So what many people were asking me as I was sitting here is, the fact that these people who've been at the County Assembly have only been 23, what does it mean?
Haki yao, wacha gavana atuambie ni yapi hakufanya makosa, County Assembly ituambie gavana ni makosa gani alifanya. Mheshimiwa Spika, katika njia hiyo tutakuwa tunafanya haki na tutaingia katika vitambu vya kumbukumbu kwamba Seneti hili, Mheshimiwa Spika, ni Seneti ya haki na inalinda ugatuzi. Mheshimiwa Spika, kuna jambo ambalo limejitokeza hapa, ya kwamba kuna watu wengine waliandika affidavit ya kusema kwamba wapigiwe kura na wenzao. Mheshimiwa Spika, mimi nilikuwa mwakilishi ward katika kaunti ambayo nimetoka ya Lamu. Na Mheshimiwa Spika, hiyo sio jambo ngeni, yanafanyika. Mheshimiwa Spika, sisi katika Seneti hii ndio tunatuma pesa mashinani, na yale yanayotendeka huko,
having Hansard live footage and coverage when these impeachments are going through. Mr. Speaker, should we be asking for signed confirmations by the MCAs who have impeached someone today here? And I will demonstrate that today, Mr. Speaker, when it comes to voting, by not voting through the processes, to show that I'll be called over there to go.
Echone chinkwa na chintindi chokumugingero mugabana we county ya Nyamira Muske Amos Nyaribo na boige chinde chioko mokonya gotarua bisi na kogendera nimirimo yaye monchumuligereria ayungati yali agendera so mugasolero ase ebunge yeseneti gotigana nayo aba MCA banyamira abo baba bagochorwa ekiyaera nigo bono beso kirie bunenchire mo yo kwegerera na gokana ngati bali ase serikali aba MCA abo mu MCA Jeremiah Ongaro kurwa ai ward ye Kerenyo Kristo sie mukuru Nyamaya na bogo Jackson Mugusu kurwa se ward area Nyansiongo nigo bono bae ni kirie buna ani go bale asomo simamo omotindi wogo tenena maiga ye biama ebyo byaba biko basira nene a sobocholi goika barabo konyora obobui.
Here to put the record straight on the events doing on social media, that us as elected members of the Nyamira County Assembly, the recently elected, that we have joined the broad-based government of the Kenya Kwanza Coalition, us, we are not even interested. We are so focused on driving the agenda of the Gusii community, and we are solely behind His Excellency Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. We all won because of his strength on the ground, the confidence people exuded towards his candidature, and the negative propaganda spreading is out of fear, is out of shame, and above all, we have confirmed to the whole country that the Kenya Kwanza scored 0 out of 3 positions which were being contested in the recently concluded by-elections. In that regard, we want to assure Kenyans and all good people of good.
Msimamo wetu ni kama ya kwamba vile vyama ambao vimetuleta katika bunge ndio tunasimama. Hakuna haja ya kuogopa, tuko hapa. Hakuna mmoja ambaye anaweza kutushawishi katika hali ya kuingia kwamba tuingie chama chake kama kile. Wale wanaume ambao mliona katika mapicha, ile ni mahangaiko. Katika hali ya kuhangaika wakanakuja ili ya kwamba tuwasamee. Bado watu wetu ni wagonjwa. Bado watu wetu wako hospitali. Bado magari walituchomea. Bado hata wametuhangaisha mpaka sasa. Bado tuko kwa stress. under normal circumstances hakuna njia ambayo kuja ati tunaingia broad based. Katika hii ni mwaka karibu wa 3.5 broad based serikali imekuwa ni nini imefanyia humo Gusii?
Watu wetu waliumia. Watu wetu walifanywa madharau. Watu wetu walidalalishwa huko Nyamira. Tunataka kukemea hizo vitendo zenye serikali imefanyia watu wetu. Alafu kama serikali itaendi kutulinda sisi wananchi wa kawaida, ni nani atatulinda? Hata sisi ni walipa ushuru. Serikali ifanya haki wa kulinda watu wake wote. Sisi ni watu wa moja. Siasa ni siku moja, zitutenganishe, tusimwage damu. Siasa si mwisho wa maisha. Wacha tufanye siasa safi, kila mtu afanye siasa yake. Mwisho wa siku mshindi ni mmoja. Mshindi walipatikana ni Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i, kwa sababu hii vita haikuwa baina yetu, ilikuwa baina ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i na rais wetu William Ruto.
Emambia ya rero engusanano entindi nigo yana kigwa ase abaremi bekemeligie kawa gose kemeligie chae ase factory ya Gianchore gati yabaremi naboigo abateneri ko saba director engana yale to ngusanano yeliberera gwetania ensa eyemo chingaki abaremi barigetie komanya inkai chibesa chiemete yabo yaonigwa chire naboigo obolimo bwabete bokoniwa engana yarorekana koleta liberera litindi kurende maiga yaje nigo baika aso koigwana shingaki batebigwanga bali barachikoba no bwaito banene bali babigitoko boko kwabo aso omorobirio yuwe emete naboigo omorobirio yuo bwokogora obole mochinsemechio engana omolio yakorera koleta omorembe unatokumanywa no morikio ito Fatgard Gisemba.
Nase egeikaro kiogosieka umwaka ase factory ya Gianchore ekyo kimanyikaine buna annual general meeting egeikaro egikiabaretamo abarimi kurwase factory eyo anene kumanyigwa enchira oburemi bwabo bwabeire bokogenderera ase egeikaro ekyo nigo chinsa chamambia kiaba kiutwara ukungusarana okonene anene chingaki abaremi abaiga barigia kwererwa aso bwagare igoro yemete yabo naboigo oburemo bwabo ingai chibesa chachiete
transparency ororo kirege ndokeri kunsekero rekanike agere nebese yumure
majorite gaiga mbabwate ukaraba geteme yabo batari kurifira out ya kicho namba yemete baoneti nobolimo ango bali ko chatatebi watu waoneti te akitio piga cyangi kiba setinga naiga abali barenge gaiga barenge baganaiga na kiro molemi igakonyora go center ntago sanu 25 egero kumana kwa kona kintu giye kumana kobo
Kurende omwerio bwerituko nigo abarimi abaiga banyara ko bakonyora richibu naboigo obotoereru kogenderera buna butambe na gwetia amachiko aho ayo aragendera gokonya factory eyo
nande ryogirinde mwarra bogaria ndiri boga ngambata itwa kana tax kaitidiete ko batia kana ichibesa chiria muna chire 115 bamanya ngo restaurant 35 million chiko anda KRA chiko genda serikali igama ryogi ari ngara kabere ryogiri tangani bali batete banyore chibesa chitari chiabo na ryogiri akabere ndiriboga nga waito gwakane tax ne ekinenge ntwe serikali ogwakana serikali ne chibesa tiko muntu uri orenge mugondo 30 day ai kuchibesa icho na
Kubatikana naya nigo omo board member kurase factory Johnsi cha zone 10 abwase factory yiga ya Gyanchore ere yemo yabo aserieta Vincent Atei ahene kebuna ukungzana na okonene kwa baremi nigo kwabire kogosegetwa amo na banasiasa gete abo korengana nere atebire nigo baguturubania oboremi.
Ejene minute ya ite last year, but there is one character here. Ogosumbua abantu ogorokunga senator because on a daily basis is online nega daily nga namarimo yabarimi yakubugati the same farmers nabo batoetere togora marimo nari kama amaruba gatereni this parcels of land marimo aria joint ari 1710 out of 1710 1000 turiko iko abalimi bachiro amba maite ali atikarite 710 aigoro a very senior government officer akaenda akagita 200 na kwa estimate na ndi tokirita akaiga na nda kamenta na 200 igo irire 400 out of 700 ndi ngo wetu tutikari 300 chinke lakini ndekelia kelipa abantu bago chabaende media bune yetole ko tebanga aba director baoni bya marimo director takuimuka kombori mata tebire
Hingo reporter Gatembe Kroiga Gyanchore ime ye wodi ya Bugichora ebunge ya West Mugirango Njefatigad Yesemba
Buna enchireye mo yogosira abaremi ne chisemi echo chiranyare ko bakonya aso kwegendereria nigo egati yabaremi korwa ase chinsemo chiri chianya biosi ewodi ya Gesima ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba banyora maigerio elio wekonya na boigo konyara ko gendereria asa magimabo hasege kali kioni gabasae basemiwe kwebwaterania amone byombe ao ebyo biranyare kuba esegeto yoko enyorera engeria gose wekinia aso kubwaterana gose kokonyeka aso bwamo bunege kundi unatukumanya no mulikito Paul Kapokara
obunenchera ye moyo gokinyariga sa sobolemi nigo egati abalimi abeiga na nene barabanya byombe kurase byombe basangerekanire eli konyara ko bakwigeriwa enjira banyare ko bagokora bulimi buranyare ko bakonya na nene ube obwibaika obuburu bwekerero
twabire no magoko manene na inda mangana tweigure aseri tukoria rero abagani baito batorenteire igoro yoboremi igoro yobo tugi igoro ya bintu byonsi bire ase emegondo yeito bigotokonya ama no butugi bw'ekingoko
nigo basemirigwe enjira babonete kunyara ko bakwenekia ko ebwatania ase ebyombe ebyo korengana amo nabega bachiri ko basomya bakorabona Abel Kamanda oyuti nenete amangana yetuko korwase wade ya Gesima abasemiri babonete kunyara ko bagoswa chinga kibanyorire nengo korwase oboremi kwene kibunango bosiranya bale elio banyara ko bagwe konya samatukare bosyo
inje bono buna omwabisa nacha aso kuinikali kya abantu baminto abalimi baso ase sake nengiya na inde nacha ko basomi ngake bakonyora kibese kurwa so bulimi egere ba mentere obulimi bwabo na inde banyora kibese bakoira ase sako egere nyonekere bakabesiri kibese ase sako banyora kibese bakoirani ase sako mono buna nacha rero nabasomiria mangana amange nabasomiri ngake babonete ko bulimi bw'icyombe kibabonete kuragira icyombe cyabo buya akibabonete kulinda kimori cyabo buya egere kikine
ningana abasaba ganda ko bakohoborigwa kwene kibunango abaraso mustari umusogoso asebyombe bibiranyara ko babiko bakonya gukora kirigurube ekyo kirasobweko wensigiga
nabonko inikale cy'abantu baito abake bana abake balesiko babese ebyombe
ngo batebiga abantu abake bono tiga tuchike toswe tutiga mangana yoko loita gosi yoko nyagutware meshene around the ward ni nchuo chibesa nchirororo chibakonye mwegendereri undi byensi udeto ni biashara nabokore biashara biyago oira ni chibesa icho
oigo abagambya sense muyende nigo banyare ko bakoboriwa kweneke gutumeka libageri gase chibaraza kubasemya abantu igoro yobuya webyombe
nenkwamisa ase binyoro byaito baminto chief chitokonyezi ase byombe byeto mbarororo bagunya gutanga busa para batubeka barasa abantu abo na abana baitu bari isiko batubekamo baswese kyombe torenga ngitokora
omweli oye kubatikanamo nabamenya bigikora se wadi ya Gesima nigo banyariko bagotebwa kunyariko bakone kimunango sobara sebyombe ekero enenge koleto na abasamaria baya ejariko bageko bakonya elio bayigendererie asobogema
twakorire application minto bali muri igwelio gye manya kibese ngiri kitakire gocha kitabense ya milioni 3 igobona abantu bali mu igure nicyo recese n'ikibese cyo abantu baterecese tebatebunga twakora abo bisaba basomi na kibaho kitumia sobole miko chikoirana
Polycarp Okara Getembe TV.
Ekero liarengeri tuko liogochengera balia babwato obolema gosebebe no bolema nige county ya Nyamira yachengera litukeliga asegeti giekerenyo ase egotebekana ababwatani aho baikirana bunenjira ya muyokorokia obwanchani gokwanekerekyo nigo baruro kobolia gochia asichiamate anene kogaya na senchira yobwororo kero kende chingaki abantu barakanire wetana chimeme nabwega abantu baboliwe korokyo bwanchani ko ase abaiga bari no barema ekiagana barabona babwente konyora libagalinde liabene buna montondo bwensi buna tukumunyo no muri kito fatiga digizemba
ekero ensengima yachengera umuyiga bwabaria babwate oboremani goboigo korwa ase county ya Nyamira yachengera umuyiga oyoiga oyo okorekana imeye ward ya Ekerenyo
kunansikana ndi litororo na nje na chire go celebrate litugeli galia barema kwa ma persons with disabilities twarorenge kena banta baiga ande na bako nyora bachaire batigire no nyanyomba batali kumanya no nindi kegere lakini rero besokiria so bonge abarenga mona intuga iga twarorire gento keri bakonyara neke batai kunyara onona akira serikali itongambie mone senge njoko beka litugeli na barubu bainyoru baiguna barubu na mwanya bantu bale
kukwana ekero kyomuyiga oyoiga nigo muteneneri onga imeye county ya Nyamira Fontina Nkare oyeboigo omuwakirisha omubunge bwe county ya Nyamira omuskeche rusha mumanyi nigo aburia abantu anene baria bakubanengeta na kubahatanana abo bare no borema batige na kubarabana abantu bande ase atebabuna yabise yomuwakirishi bwabangina omuskeche rusha mumanyi nigo baraje kubayimukeria egetambukero baria baranyorekane nerimocho
kuna bamobabo balia gender based violence bali bakurwani wanka bachaire babisire litukolia lero twaita ko baorokianga nchera ende yonsteyo mokuangwa barobu mwanya bantu na barobu mukonyara bale kokora kende yonsi na bali bande bonsi pibako baligereria asobobe ase ofisi yo mongi na cherusha mumanyi ntogoro na tebanga na baimokerie getambokero balia bago chikochaya barema na imokerie getambokero balia bakorwania abagaka babo inka na imokerie getambokero balia abangina bagoitu nyumba amona abagaka
kurwase bitabo byoburendi nigo baeneke buna ebaraje korenda obosibure bwabaiga bare no borema eryo kweneke buna nabarabwo ko banyabare bya
Rebecca Lomoria, Inspector of Police, Deputy OCS Ekerenyo Police Station. Ambao pia ni walemavu. We are celebrating their day today. We want to remind them that they are blessed and the government as the police department tuko pia mbele sana kupigania haki zenu, and whenever you feel intimidated, please come forward. Working together with the NGA officers, working together with the village elders, the Nyumba Kumi initiative, tunajua mambo yatakuwa vizuri na kila mtu atapata justice yake.
Kubwatikana naya nigo omo MC omochore bwekiama kya UDA imeye county ya Nyamira Doris Nyamanga ensemo yaye akwanira biria arange bikwirera kisegi chegenga kogendera komentekana hanene asichi amate engana boigo yagikeriwa amonabwo baikirana asumuyiga oyoiga orero na kugania chinkwana kwegwari bagari nene asukugayana umuchando.
Tuliweza kuangalia vyanzo vya kuwa na dhuluma za kijinsia, tukisema mojawapo ikiwa ni matumizi ya miadarati na vileo mbalimbali vimeweza kuchangia kufunjika kwa familia mbalimbali. Kwa hivyo siku ya leo sisi tumejiunga na wengine wote duniani kusema kwamba tunapinga dhuluma za kijinsia.
Mukungu osunyuntu orokarabu tebe kene nkwagetu. Onyu musata ko osunyuntu orokarabu teba nkwagetu. Nande bintebi tigatobugi muno egesaku kyomo busi. Anya chime mechanganire nyomba isaransa paramasabo suruisa mangana yi numweka mokole inumweka bobisi.
Kingo reporter Getembe kurwaiga Ekerenyo ime ye bunge ya North Mugirange kaunti ya Nyamira. Njefa Tigad Kisemba.
Asabisi ya kaunti ya Kisii omujumbe we kaunti ya Kisii Omuskedonya Doris Saburi nerabo igoniga sangana bali bamenyate nobolema asamagacho yegikoro imeyo muchibosongo asabwatoka obokonyi gochia sabantabwe we chingencho ao
Sawadi banya kwa bako ndo serikali singi ngongoro kwedu adiabuka ngongoro nyaibari masaba ndiye vice chairman and ngondo muraya masiba ward ngondi kongosi ya bare mabu nani gotu achire igasi ngencho yo serikali kolia bare mabu yarenge tarikista to insengi keko nyakato ko chaga igato akole binde ngongoro mambia baraya bange bachire ndo wakera ugumele mbia mona so kwa bare mabu Sawadi banya kwa bako ndo serikali singi ndiye Christmas no mwako moja Notote bambia mwana site abaseni kirende nya kwa bikoba nani kwa mwana bare mabu baitano nisibare banya kwa bako manyinge binto nebi kongo lakini obire bikongo ne nya kwa tokungangana togero mabogende na nyari bari masaba representative wa the mbia mono ase umongina women mbia mono sana.
Serero tuligo celebrate International Day for Persons with Disability. Mtu aba no mogoko konyora obokonyi kuruase women rep na other stakeholders au banyara konya abaremafu na kuba semia na kibata kire komenya ase chinga chiabo.
Umurai we kiama gia DCP Omuskeri Gadi Gachagua nigobona ariganirie ababwatani we kiama kia ODM gosoa ase kiamekyo ele banyare konyora libaga asobochori obonene bore bosio Gachagua nigatebire nga buna kolengana nere nige kiameki kia ODM getara nyora libaga ligia anene ime ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza
na Wanga tayari wamechukua deposit. Sasa siku Raila alikufa, the day Raila died, Junet used to be with Raila throughout. He never went to collect his body. Alifika airport akajifanya ni mgonjwa akawachwa akiuza ODM. Hao mabroka wameuza ODM. Sasa ODM people, Narok seat was yours. Imeenda na DCP. Kiza East was your seat. Imeenda na DCP. Hii Purko ward ilikuwa yenu. Imeenda na UDA. Kiza East mlikuwa namba 9. Si ndio? Hii Kariobangi mlikuwa namba 3. Namba 4. Hii ODM imekui. William Ruto has destroyed ODM and we are very saddened. We are very saddened. And mimi aliniambia nikiwa deputy yake, hii ODM hii nitaimaliza. And it is true. I want to tell what ya ODM. Mukikubali ODM iuziwe Ruto na Junet na Wanga, mutakuwa a minority party. You only get a few seats in Luo Nyanza. Sasa Masaini tumefukuza nyinyi huko. Kajiado mumepoteza. Narok muenda. Kakamega hamuna kitu. Nairobi tumemaliza nyinyi. Sasa muko wapi nyinyi watu ya ODM? But we don't want ODM to die. Sasa tumesikia William Ruto amesema akinunua ODM hataki Sifuna, atamfukuza. Edwin Sifuna, I want to tell you my brother, you are a good leader. Ukifukuzwa na William Ruto, you are welcome to DCP. Sifuna akuje asikuje? Sifuna is a great senator in Nairobi. And I have no problem with the DCP supporting Sifuna to be the senator of Nairobi. We have no problem. Si ndio? William Ruto amesema hata huyu Babu Owino akinunua ODM akwe.
Omujumbe bwebunge ya Makadara niga mochire chinkwana chyomurai w'ekiama gya DCP Omoske Rigathi Gachagua kobwatekana na siasa chyomo chyo Nairobi asebono aluada boigo atebirenga ere nigara chiekurigia ekero kyobugabana bwe county ya Nairobi wetera sikiama kia ODM ikia gotebanga bado niko kitigarite kwa imara.
Kuna kiongozi juzi Gachagua amezungumzia mambo kabila. Ati kabila hii yote wachukue 16 constituencies, wachukue kiti ya governor, wachukue senator, wachukue imam, hata ile jikoni wachukue. Tunakubali. 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 Nataka kuambia Gachagua awache ukabila. Awache ukabila. Sisi kama Nairobi tukae na amani na tuheshimiane. Sisi chama yetu ni ODM. Chama ni ODM. Na tunasupport Oginga Oburu kama party leader. Na pale national tuko na wa chairperson governor wa Homa Bay. Na pia wewe governor sisi za kupatia sauti yetu ya Nairobi. Ukikapo kwa meza omba kiti hapo juu, usiogope. Usiogope. Omba kiti. Sisi kama vile Elijah amesema tutasimama na wewe. Tuwanawachia person, tulikuchagua Mombasa, sasa wewe si mteule, wewe ni wachia person. Na hapa Nairobi, mimi nataka kusema very clear. Mimi nataka na declare kiti ya governor kwa tiketi ya ODM. Tutaki tutasema na kwa deputy wa Kuria simame kivyake, mimi simame kivyangu. Wakati tunaunga mkono
Mwanchu murigereria nigotia butogere chita Cameron getatu na isano igoro ye chinsenye chiabono Maragoba ngoteba buno nko yakero musumari ekionga chinsenye mbia mono asoko bo murigereria omuya korutwa gachagete goika omwerio eria nabuna botambe nkoro kwa dipo na sanya asense mu yebimanyiriro nigotwarenge na Wilson Makori nigo na gosabeiro nya gotwara obotegere no murigereria obuya emirobiro yonsi yegetaseni kyagetembe kurenda sebire biga nigo ngochikogotiga no bosemia bwa getembe.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo getembe, ninjo dorome, ninjo manana man, ninjo bangina ninjo.
To kuboira serorera asigetinge. Ogwa serorera kwekana sino. Weke nabokera gitona nguchi sabagambi. Umugambire ndi gukugamba. Yese gamba kuna abantu baino bagutumete ngegitiga kebeiga nikikebeiga. Nakiga ko mugusi ateze naki mutangio na nkondo ta kuboiro asigetinge. Agwa serorera kiole linkero la mugani yani umugani umugayani abo kusina ba ukwana utali no kutabuka iliyo ogali yobongo kiole li ali skaba tukere likobana kolonge ekenkia beteiga ekenkia ya mutangi una nkondo ta kuboira segetinge agwa serorera abwe kanese ito abwe kanese inabo yakoira mangana michi abande usukwa ruto muchiro osengaki nakie kinabera geteiga.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo getembe, ninjo dorome, ninjo manana man, ninjo bangina ninjo.
Unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga, kumlea na kumwendeleza mtoto wako? Karibu Lucky Star Educational Center, mahali ambapo elimu bora inaanzia. Tunatoa elimu ya kiwango cha juu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 6 tukiwa CBC compliant na tukilenga kukuza uwezo wa kila mwanafunzi. Lucky Star inajivunia mafunzo ya kompyuta katika maabara ya kisasa, chess, karate na swimming kukuza akili, nidhamu na ujuzi wa kuogelea, usafiri wa uhakika na salama kwa wanafunzi wote, ada nafuu na zinazolipika, madarasa mapana na ya kisasa, walimu waliobobea, waliofunzwa na wenye ari ya kufundisha, mazingira tulivu na rafiki kwa kujifunzia, vifaa vya kutosha vya kufundisha na kujifunzia. Usaili na usajili wa Januari unaendelea. Mlete mwanao katika shule inayojali mustakabali na mafanikio yake. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, eneo la Jogoo, kando ya barabara ya Kisii Nyamira, mkabala na Kenya Power Substation. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga 0715245923 au 0719594048. Lucky Star Educational Center, kituo cha umahiri.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Kila nafsi na ita
Ogu kwa kwarariwe kwa Caroline Nyaboke Meroka. Ogu kwa kwarariwe wa Caroline Nyaboke Meroka. Numwana Omeroka tunga